Have you ever wondered why some teams fire on all cylinders while others constantly miss their deadlines? The difference often comes down to one thing: how organizational workflows impact teams. As a PMP and a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt with over 20 years of experience helping organizations streamline their processes, I've seen firsthand how small changes can lead to big improvements in team performance. Today, we're exploring how Lean methodology can unlock your team's potential, eliminate inefficiencies, and help your organization thrive. What is Lean methodology? This is the number one question I get when I teach my Lean 101 workshop. So let's start with a basic understanding of Lean methodology. Lean is a customer-centric way of working that focuses on maximizing value and minimizing waste. It's about optimizing organizational processes to ensure you're doing the right thing at the right time and in the right way. When your team adopts Lean principles, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. How does Lean methodology help teams? Every team faces challenges. Sometimes it's unclear communication. Sometimes it's repetitive tasks or rework. And sometimes team members simply just feel overwhelmed with too much work. These are all signs of inefficiency. You can have an amazing group of team players, but if the organization's processes and ways of working are inefficient, then the team isn't able to do a good job. This is always a big aha moment for people when I explain this in my Lean 101 workshop. Creating more efficient ways of working improves team performance by identifying inefficiencies and then transforming processes. This is not about changing performance of individuals on a team. It's about adjusting the processes they interact with to get their work done to improve the overall team's performance. 3 Lean principles that transform teams' performance. The first principle is value. In a team, value is when you distinguish between value-added and non-value-added activities in your ways of working. We only want to be doing things and our processes that transform our product or service. Those are called value-added activities. But there's a lot of stuff we do that is just extra activities that don't transform our product or service. We consider those non-value-added activity. The goal is to focus on performing value-added activities only. Defining value helps you see an efficiency so you understand where to focus your attention and optimize processes. The second principle is waste. This is the next step after defining value and non-value-added activities. This is where you go deeper into the process to identify the specific areas of waste. Once you've identified the waste, you can then eliminate it, simplify, or reduce it to optimize your team's processes. Streamline processes, ones that have less waste, increase your team's efficiency. Last is continuous improvement. This is a mindset of always striving to get better or to go to the next level. One that your team adopts when they go through Lean training. They learn that Lean methodology is something they do over and over, like peeling the layers of an onion, regularly analyzing workflows for waste and then improving upon it. I know you hear this all the time, but it is so true. Lean is a journey, not a destination, which is why we're always continuously improving ways of working. The results you can expect. When you apply Lean methodology, you will see results like improved efficiency, better teamwork, and increased satisfaction, both from your team and your clients. Teaching your team Lean strategy and the Lean mindset ends up transforming everything they do over time, which leads to a whole bunch of great things like better estimation of deadlines and deliverables, better communication and collaboration, improved morale and engagement, and higher levels of efficiency, creativity, and innovation. Software won't make your team more efficient. When I talk to organizations who are struggling, one thing I hear all the time is, we bought a new software solution to improve things, but it hasn't made the team more efficient. Yeah, I know. And you know the reason for this is because software is a tool. It is not the solution. And not recognizing this becomes a trap that costs organization time and money. If the organization's processes are not Lean, all that software does is add another layer of problems for the team to work through on top of all of their other work. Look, software is great once you've mapped out all of your team's daily activities and identified waste and rework and created more efficient ways of working. then it can be helpful. If you're interested in me conducting a one-day Lean 101 workshop with your team, let's connect. Hit the link below. Watch this next video. It's a step-by-step video to Lean project management. See you in the next one.